Hello friends, today's video regarding Nothing Phone 2A Plus.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all this.
Following the release of the Nothing Phone 2A smartphone in March, the company has already revealed the series successor, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. The smartphone provides some significant improvements over the Phone 2A. In addition, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, a smartphone priced under 30,000 rupees, is an excellent choice. Furthermore, in August, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus will be available for the first time in India. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus features a MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro processor, an improved 50-megapixel selfie camera, and faster charging support. However, the remaining details and feature set are identical to those of the Nothing Phone 2A. The new Nothing Phone 2A Plus starts at 29,999 rupees for 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and goes up to 31,999 rupees for 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Now that you're aware of the cost, let's look at the updates in greater detail. Except for the new color option, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus design is carved from the same skin as the Phone 2A. The device's grey color option differs slightly from the Phone 2A in appearance, but the rest of the design is very similar. The glyph interface and transparent design are identical to those on the Phone 2A. While the design is comfortable to hold, that is not necessarily a bad thing. However, given that the company has already set a high standard for itself, we would like to see some new innovations. The Phone 2A Plus features a dual-back camera configuration. The phone's primary camera uses a 50-megapixel Sony GN9 sensor. This camera has a 10x digital zoom, an f/1.88 aperture, and optical and electronic image stabilization (OIS, EIS). A 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a Samsung JN1 sensor is also available. This camera has a 114-degree field of view (FOV) and an f/2.2 aperture. In comparison to the Phone 2A, this device has a better selfie camera on the front. In comparison to the 32-megapixel camera on Phone 2A, you now have a 50-megapixel Samsung JN1 sensor with an f/2.2 aperture. The selfie camera has also been upgraded to a 50MP sensor from its previous 32MP sensor, which is the only change. Thus, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus's 50MP ultra-wide, wide-angle, and selfie cameras have all been upgraded. It looks great with the slim bezel on the front. A 6.7-inch flexible AMOLED display, similar to the Phone 2A's, has not been included. It's a good thing the device has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The display has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, a maximum brightness of 1300 nits, and supports PWM dimming at 2160 Hz. It appears clear and colorful, and you can change the color profile to your liking. The Phone 2A and Phone 2A Plus have significant performance differences. The latter now features a one-of-a-kind MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro processor, exclusively available from Nothing. With a maximum clock speed of 3.0 GHz, the new chipset includes 2 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores. The Phone 2A Plus includes up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. One of the phone's most appealing features is its simple UI, which is powered by NothingOS 2.6, an Android 14 clone. For the Phone 2A Plus, the company offers 4 years of security patches and 3 years of Android updates. Aside from that, The Nothing Phone 2A Plus features a 5000 mAh battery that supports both 5W reverse wired charging and 50W fast wired charging. However, it lacks wireless charging, as does the Phone 2A. The Nothing Phone 2A Plus has a long battery life. You can use it for web browsing, video streaming, or gaming for up to 10 hours, which is a good performance. Most modern phones come close to that number, but this only serves to highlight how dependable these devices have become. To summarize, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus is reliable. Like the Phone 2A, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus has an optical fingerprint scanner beneath the screen. It's relatively quick and precise. We have no problems. The new Nothing News widget steals the spotlight. The top store is in 7 configurable categories: business, entertainment, general, health, science, sports, and technology will be filtered. They will be condensed into 1-minute segments and read aloud by Tim Holbrow, Nothing's CFO. We assume an AI voice based on Mr. Holbrow. If you want to buy it in the United States, you must first register for the Nothing Beta program. Essentially, because Nothing phones are not officially available there, you can try one out and let us know how it works with the local networks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed?